A lot of people have this perception when it comes to affiliate marketing or any kind of make money online business opportunities. They have this notion that they can get signed up with whatever business opportunity that they feel drawn to. And then once they join that business opportunity, they think that they can just get out their bank account, get out their card, and start buying big packages of ads in the hopes that they're going to make all these sales. But I got a reality check for you. If you're doing those things, you're not going to be building a successful business that way. In fact, that's the formula for going broke real fast. I've heard stories of people who have started buying like 1,000 clicks worth of solo ads in the packages for whatever offers that they're promoting without understanding what they're doing. And when they see the results fall flat, they get disappointed. Sometimes they cry about it and they think that this business doesn't work. Everything has a formula to it. You can't just be only relying on paid advertising. If you don't take the time to learn how marketing works, you're not only leaving a lot of money on the table, but you're hurting yourself when it comes to building this business. Why wouldn't you want to do more than what is expected of you beyond paid advertising? And think about this, Julie. Let's say you're only doing paid advertising and you don't want to do anything else. How do you expect to make those high back end, high ticket sales if there's no relationship established with whoever it is that you're bringing in? How do you expect them to buy from you when they don't even know you? Because people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. You got to keep that in mind because you cannot be doing paid advertising, collecting all these leads, and then you're just hoping that one of them is going to upgrade to a high ticket commission for you. What is it about you that makes you stand out from all the other tens of thousands of affiliates promoting the same thing you are? Have you ever thought to give that any consideration, any thought? Because let's face it, whatever business opportunity that you're promoting, chances are Bob, Mary, Lynn, Brian, etc., they're also promoting the same marketing company that you're promoting. And if you don't start branding yourself, if you don't start putting out value-based content and creating that conversation with your leads, if you don't create that connection with your audience, how do you expect to make profits on the back end of whatever it is that you're promoting? Yeah, you may make a dollar trial sales, maybe on the rare chance somebody will make an upgrade to some level, but it's not going to be all the time. It's not going to be guaranteed. You're missing out on a lot of potential earnings by not doing more than what is expected of you, building that know, like, and trust relationship with your leads and your audience because you don't want to hustle, you don't want to do the work. Mind you, this business is not for everyone. And if you're not willing to go above and beyond more than what is expected of you, why are you even here in the first place? You can't just be focused on the money. You got to get out of that. That's what's going to keep you stuck. That's what's going to keep you stuck at your job and staying there. You got to let go of the money. You got to change that mindset. You gotta hustle. How bad do you want this? How important is this to you? Ask yourself those questions. Don't just be saying, I don't want to do the work. I don't want to hustle. I just want to buy paid advertising. But here's the problem. How are you going to connect with those leads that you're bringing in? And if you have buyers, how are you going to be able to keep those buyers under you if you're not connecting with them? If you're not helping them? These are real people that are investing their hard-earned money, and they're expecting that they're going to get what they paid for. If you were on the receiving end of that, wouldn't you feel the same way too? So keep it in mind, Julie, that if you want to be successful in this industry, if you want to be successful as an online entrepreneur, you got to do the work. Otherwise, you're not going to be successful in this business. And chances are likely you'll quit before you even begin.